Welcome to Management Fundas. Subject Strategic Management, Subtopic Business Policy. In this, we will cover meaning of business policy, definition, features, essential of a good business policy, nature of business policy, scope, importance, advantages of business policy. Now, what do you mean by term policy? Whenever you come across this word policy, please remember policy means guidelines. Policy means guidelines. Policy means guideline. Okay, principle of action, give direction. Policy means guideline. Principle of action, give direction. Who makes the policy? Top level management, decision maker. Why? For accomplishment of objectives and goals. Okay, so whenever you come across the word policy, you always have to remember 3 points. What do you mean by word policy? Who makes the policy and why? Okay, just remember this 3 points and you will get the answer. What is policy? Policy is basically guidelines. Okay. Now, what is business policy? Business policy are the guidelines developed by an organization to govern its action. Okay, so they are what? They are simply the guidelines developed by any organization to follow the action. They define the limit within which decision must be made. Okay, they select one range in which you can make your decision. They state you what to do and what not to do. Business policy also deals with acquisitions of resources within which organization goals can be achieved. Okay, so your business policy always deals with acquisition of all the available resources in your organization in an optimum way, so you can reach to your goals. A business policy is a set of rules defined by the owner or leadership of the company. Some policies are defined by regulation such as federal privacy laws, while others are designed by corporate leadership to make sure that the things are done by certain standards. Okay, so business policy is always made by the decision maker. It is always done by the top level management or leadership of a company. Now, federal privacy laws come in the picture when the organization is having a product like say food product or chemical product where lot of rules and regulations to be followed, and this is where federal privacy laws come into the pictures. They give certain standards, certain norms to be followed, and every organization who are dealing with the food product or a chemical product, they have to implement all this law in their policy. So that's why it is stated that policy have a certain standard. Business policy are generally found in the operation manual or the employee handbook. Where you generally found the business policies is in the operation manual or in the employee handbook. Although different business may have different policy, any business policy has the 7 features. Okay, different policy in any business has there are different policies, but all the policies should follow, all these policies should follow the 7 features which are very important. That is, the policy must be specific, clear, uniform, appropriate, simple, inclusive and stable. Okay, so these are all the rules of business policy. Means what is business policies? Now, definition of business policy. Business policy defines the scope of sphere within which decision can be taken by the subordinate in the organization. Okay, so business policy defines the space within the decisions can be taken by the subordinate in the organization. It permits the lower level management to deal with the problem and issue without consulting top level management every time for decision. So once you have your business policy which is very clear, specific, which is understood by your subordinate, then it permits all the lower level management to deal with the problem and issue without consulting top level management every time. So they give that authority or that sense of responsibility, or they are very confident and they are not uncertain in taking the decision. So every time they don't have to consider top level management for each and every decision. Okay, so next definition. Business policy are the guidelines developed by an organization to govern its action. They define the limit within which decision must be made. Business policy also deals with acquisition of resources within organization goals can be achieved. Business policy is the study of a roles and responsibility of top level management, the significant issue affecting organization success and the decision affecting organization in the long run. So business policy is what? A study of a roles and responsibility of top level management and significant issue affect the organization success and decision affecting the organization in a long runs. Okay, so business policy is a guidelines to achieve all the organization predetermines goals. Okay, it shows you the way. Okay, it shows you the path direction in which you have to move on. Okay, so it guide you in each and every step while you are achieving your organization goals. Okay, this is the two definitions of a business policy. Now, features of business policy. An effective business policy must have the following feature. Now, first, specific. Policies should be specific and definite. Okay, whatever policy you are making, it should be always specific. If it is uncertain, then the implementation of it will become very difficult. Okay, so policy should be always specific. You have to be very specific when we are stating something, because someone is going to follow it as a guidelines, okay, to achieve the goals. So business policy should be specific, clear. Policy must be unambiguous. It should avoid the use of jargons and connotations. There should be no misunderstanding in following the policy. Okay, policy should be very clear. It should not be having a meaning which has a more than a one meaning, or it is expressing or giving us a sense which are having some negative impact or like that. So it should be very clear type of. It should not have some double meaning to it. Okay, so whichever word, whichever statements you are using, you should use in such a way that they are very clear in term of understanding. Reliable and uniform. Policy must be uniform enough so that it can be effectively followed by the subordinate. Okay, so policy must be always uniform and reliable. Uniform means it should be equal at all the level. Okay, there should not be any discrimination while following the policy. So it should be efficiently followed by the subordinate. Policy must be uniform. Okay, it should be equal at all the level. So if when it is uniform, it will be always reliable. Appropriate. Policy should be appropriate to the present organization goals. Okay, policy should be always appropriate, means it should not be old policy of the company which is not fulfilling the need of the present organization goal. So it should be as per as the present or current organization goals. So it should appropriate to the present organization goal. Simple. Policy should be must be simple and easy understood by all in the organization. Okay, policy should be written in a very in a simple form, or it should be very simple to be followed. Okay, it should not be using some words which are not understood by the common people in working in the organization. Some for example, if you are using some law terms, okay, which only professional people knows about it, okay, simple employees don't aware about such words, then it will become very difficult for them to follow the policy. So policy should be always very simple. Comprehensive. In order to have a wide scope, policy must be comprehensive. What do you mean by word comprehensive? Comprehensive doesn't mean that policy should be big. It means that each and every area in the organization should be covered. It should cover top level, middle level and ground level employees. Okay, so it should see that it has covered all the areas in the area. So policy should be always comprehensive and inclusive. Flexible. Policy should be flexible in operation, application. This does not imply that a policy should be altered always, but it should be wide in scope so as to ensure that the line manager use them in repetitive routine scenarios. Okay, so policy should be very flexible. Policy should it doesn't mean that policy should be changed whenever required. It is not like that, but when it is affected by something which is that which means that a policy need to be changed, otherwise implementation of it become difficult. Like business is always affected by the environment, whether it is a political environment or say technical environment, economical environment, then some changes should be is required. It is very necessary in that time. Policy should be such that if some changes should be made in that. Okay, it should not be such a rigid that the policy will not be changed. So policy should be always flexible when it is required, but it doesn't mean that it should be altered as and when required. Okay, it is not altered always. Okay, stable. Policy should be stable as it will lead to indecisiveness and uncertainty in mind of those who look it for a guidelines. Okay, policy should be always stable. It should not change every time. Okay, it should be stable. Means suppose for example the working hour of the employee is 12. What you can extend is 12 hour per day. It should not be more than 12 hour. Normally it is 8 hour, but you can extend till 12 hour. But every day if you are making habit that you are making your employee to work in your organization for say 14 hours, 15 hours, then policy is not stable. Okay, and it is not then the management or those subordinate working or following this policy will become uncertain about it. So policy should be always stable as it will lead to indecisiveness and uncertainty in the mind of those who look it for guidelines. Okay, so these are the features of business policy, which each and every policy will be different to the different organization, but the rules which they follow to make the policy should cover all these points in that policy.